Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday trading here in the stock market, trying to get that all green week going. I don't have whiskey set up here yet if it happens, but we've got that Friday intro with the whiskey, so maybe that counts. I don't know. Let's trade. Watching AA. See if it pushes up to 35 here. I'm watching it. Try to get in there at 85. Okay, I'm in AA here. $34.85. Take off 75% right there, down to 50 shares. I'll look to restart the position if it gets up strongly through 35 here. Here it goes. Okay, going to add in there. So back into my initial starting position here at 35.19. See if it gets back under 35. Okay, going to take 75% there again, down to another 50 shares here. All right, I'm going to cover the whole thing out right there, and I will wait to see if it wants to go higher here in AA. BYND with a big move here. I'm going to start BYND, got it at 140.37. See if I can get half out here at 139.64. Okay, got that half. Look for the other half below 139. Take another half off there. Didn't get down below 139 like I was hoping right there. See if the remaining 25 shares can get down there. Put a stop on those over 140. And just maybe let them sit for a minute actually and see what it does. Put maybe a target out there around 138.60 in case we get a quick flush down below 139. All right, I'm going to take the whole thing right there at 139. Looked like it was getting held up there for a minute, so just going to take that one, but pretty happy with the trade overall here in BYND. All right, everybody, so I'm going to call it there. Kind of a slower day today. Wasn't like the rest of the week where things seem to be moving at least a little bit better than they have in the last few weeks. But overall, pretty slow day today. But hitting two, coming directly off the Intensity Stock Watch scanner. And make sure you check out the link in the description below for 20 to 30% off every single month of your subscription if you're interested in that with code GDTISW. But first one hitting on the scanner this morning was AA Alcoa. Hit this one actually twice because I took a 75% partial off on the first one. It still was in that extended move, hadn't even put in a red close candle yet, so got in again with another 200 shares and just kind of went sideways and just took some money from there, and I'll take it. I'll take a quick little 69 giggity dollars there, and moving on the day. And then I had to sit around because that trade was at 9:33. Then I sat around for 45, 50 minutes waiting for something else. Nothing was really popping, and all of a sudden, boom, BYND, a beautiful screamer coming off the positive intensity scanner. You can see this thing coming from 137 all the way up until 140.58. I got a 140.37, so about 20 cents off the highs there. And I was happy with the trade initially, but then I didn't stick to my plan with the final 25 shares, which would have worked out and more. Obviously, this thing has now closed the gap completely since that initial scanner alert, but this kind of chart is what I'm looking for. These kind of huge extended plays, especially when it's nothing all day long and then pop a little bit of volume there out of nowhere. Didn't see any news popping up anywhere. So BYND, pretty happy with the entry. The exits, as always, need some work. Always taking that money too early, but can't be red going green. So I'm going to take it. A pretty decent day and pretty decent week overall. The last few up in the between 150 and a little bit over 200 range over the last 3 days on these. So I'm going to take those into the weekend, be happy with it, and go mow the grass. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I will see you later.